Hi, I'm Bryan. Welcome to Sdn Technologies. For all SQL accounting software user, even though your e-Invoice only start next year 2025, but you can actually start your e-Invoice by using LHDN MyInvoice portal testing environment. There are 3 simple setting steps. First, you need to register your company in MyInvoice testing environment, which is the pre-production portal. Second, you need to upgrade your SQL accounting software to version 853 and above and have a valid support contract and purchase e-Invoice module. If you do not have SQL maintenance or you want to purchase e-Invoice module, you can purchase from me. Third, you need to link your SQL accounting software and also your MyInvoice pre-production portal. To do all this, you can actually go to my website and download the guide. After this setting, make sure your customer information have updated the latest company registration number, e-Invoice submission method, and also TIN number. Key in your sales invoice as normal, save it and click My Invoice and click Submit Sandbox e-Invoice. You will receive the e-Invoice validations notification from LHDN. You can scan the QR code, get the info, or even go to My Invoice pre-production portal and retrieve the invoice. Please bookmark my website because the guide and also e-Invoice information will update from time to time. So you need to visit my website regularly. Please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.